Hi, I'm John Howard and this is the Kahr Academy. Today I'll be talking to you about how to disassemble your Kahr magazine. First step to do is to take the magazine and, using a punch, insert it into the witness holes so that the spring is captive by the punch. You can then take a screwdriver or another punch and press in on the magazine base plate, retention plate. You can then slide the base plate off, keeping your thumb on the base plate retention plate. You can then gently release magazine spring tension and, holding onto the spring, remove the punch, allowing you to remove the magazine spring and follower from the magazine. At that point, you've disassembled your Kahr magazine. To reassemble the magazine, reverse the process. Insert the follower onto the spring. Insert the spring and follower into the magazine body. Slightly compress the spring and insert a punch to hold the spring in place. Place the base retention plate on the spring, compress that into the magazine body, reinsert the base plate. You can then remove the punch. At that point, you have reassembled your Kahr magazine. This has been the Kahr Academy. If you have any questions about Kahr products, please visit our website at www.kahr.com.